Welcome. In this video, I will show you what to do if your Redmi Note 15 Pro 5G isn't recognizing your PIN code. First of all, before making further attempts of entering your PIN code, make sure that you are entering the security PIN code that you set up yourself and not the SIM card PIN code, as these two are often mistaken for each other. Here is the page where you have to enter your security PIN code. So if you don't remember it and you cannot remember the one that worked for you the last time, then the best decision in such situation would be to reach out to Xiaomi customer support service and tell them about your issue. Try to prove your ownership of this device to them by showing a receipt from the store where you bought the phone, for example. And if you can do that, then they will most probably be able to help you out with your problem and will let you regain access to your device without removing any data from it. In case this option isn't available for you, you can still perform a factory reset operation on your device. You can do this all by yourself, and this will 100% let you regain access to your smartphone. However, this will result in all data being erased from it. So if you have some sensitive data on your smartphone, I highly recommend using the first resolution as the first option. Now, if you cannot if you still want to perform a factory reset operation, you have two options on how you can do that. If you want to, you can perform a factory reset operation remotely. To perform a factory reset operation remotely, you're gonna have to have the Google account added to this device. If you do have a Google account linked with your Xiaomi device, in such case, you can simply enter any other. You can access any other device with internet connection. Just open the web browser on it and open the Find Hub website, which is the official Google website. Sign in to this website using your Google account that is linked with your Redmi smartphone, and then just find your Redmi smartphone on the devices list. Select factory reset this device, and after the factory reset operation is performed, you'll be able to set up your Redmi Note once again. Now, if you cannot do that, for example, you don't have Google account set up on your device, you can still perform a factory reset operation using recovery mode on your smartphone, and we have a separate video on our channel where we explain how to perform factory reset operation remotely on your Redmi Note 15 Pro 5G. So if you're interested, go ahead and check out that video. You're highly welcome to, and so you will surely do everything just right. Now, in case you do remember your PIN code, which is the last option and the last topic for this video, if you do remember your device's PIN code, but you still cannot use it to unlock your smartphone, this may be caused by some third-party application or some background activity making your lock screen behave differently or making your smartphone laggy, basically. And in order to get rid of this issue, we can try to enter the PIN code in the safe mode. And in order to enter the safe mode on your smartphone, first you're gonna have to turn it off by pressing power button and volume up key at the same time and swiping the circle up to power off option. Once your device is fully turned off, you're gonna have to press and hold the power button until you see the Xiaomi logo appearing on the screen. Then you can release the power button, and after that wait for about 3 to 5 seconds before holding down the volume down button, which you're gonna have to hold down until your logo changes to another one and your phone slightly vibrates. This vibration will indicate that your smartphone is entering the safe mode. So let's try this in practice. Hold down the power button, and once the Xiaomi logo appears on the screen, release the power button, then wait for a couple of seconds, and then start holding down the volume down button and keep holding it until your screen changes and your phone vibrates. At this point, you can release the volume down key and just let your device boot into the safe mode. In the safe mode, you will see this indicator in the bottom left corner of the screen. That means that you did everything right. If you don't see this indicator, then just try once again. This operation is kind of tricky sometimes, so don't be afraid to give it a couple of tries. Then enter the PIN code that you know, and in case you can unlock your phone with it, before trying to figure out what kind of application or background activity caused this kind of behavior, let's head into settings and then let's select fingerprints, face data and screen lock. Here select screen lock, enter it once again, select turn off screen lock, then OK, and then just restart your device normally by pressing power button and volume up key. At the same time, swipe in the circle down to reboot your device and wait until the device is restarted into the normal mode. And that's it for this video. I hope that it helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.